Hello friends, today I am going to talk about what happened in Chernobyl in the year 1986. To watch more facts on various topics, do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel. The Chernobyl power complex, lying about 130 kilometers north of Kyiv, Ukraine and about 20 kilometers south of the border with Belarus, consisted of four Soviet-built nuclear reactors of the RBMK 1000 design. Units 1 and 2 were constructed between 1970 and 1977, while Units 3 and 4 of the same design were completed in 1983. Two more RBMK reactors were under construction at the site at the time of the accident. The power output of this reactor is 3200 megawatt thermal. Various safety systems such as an emergency core cooling system were incorporated into the reactor design. This area of Ukraine is described as Belarusian type woodlands with a low population density. About 3 kilometers away from the reactor, in the new city, Pripyat, there were 49,000 inhabitants. The old town of Chernobyl, which had a population of 12,500, is about 15 kilometers to the southeast of the complex. Within a 30-kilometer radius of the power plant, the total population was between 1,15,000 to 1,30,000 at the time of the accident. On 25th April, prior to a routine shutdown, the reactor crew at the Chernobyl 4 began preparing for a test to determine how long turbines would spin and supply power to the main circulating pumps following a loss of main electrical power supply. This test had been carried out at the Chernobyl the previous year, but the power from the turbine ran down too rapidly, so new voltage regulator designs were to be tested. A series of operator actions, including the disabling of automatic shutdown mechanisms, preceded the attempted test earlier on 26th April. By the time that the operator moved to shut down the reactor was in an extremely unstable condition. A peculiarity of the design of the control rods caused a dramatic power surge as they were inserted into the reactor. The interaction of very hot fuel with the cooling water led to fuel fragmentation, along with the rapid steam production and an increase in pressure. The design characteristics of the reactor were such that substantial damage to even 3 or 4 fuel assemblies would and did results in the destruction of the reactor. Intense steam generation then spread throughout the whole core, fed by the water dumped into the core due to the rupture of emergency cooling circuit, causing a steam explosion and releasing fission products to the atmosphere. About 2 to 3 seconds later, a second explosion threw out fragments from the fuel channel and hot graphite. There are some disputes among experts about the character of the second explosion, but it is likely to have been caused by the production of the hydrogen from zirconia steam reactions. From the 2nd to the 10th day after the accident, some 5,000 tons of boron, dolomite, sand, clay and lead were dropped onto the burning core by helicopter in an effort to extinguish the blaze and limit the release of radioactive particles. The Chernobyl accident in 1986 was a result of a flawed reactor design that was operated with inadequately trained personnel coupled with serious mistakes made by the plant operators. The resulting steam explosion and fires released at least 5% of radioactive reactor core into the environment, with the deposition of radioactive materials in many parts of Europe. Furthermore, large areas of Belarus, Ukraine, Russia and beyond were contaminated in varying degrees. The accident caused the largest uncontrolled radioactive release into the environment ever recorded for any civilian operation, and large quantities of radioactive substances were released into the air for about 10 days. This caused serious social and economical disruption for large populations in Belarus, Russia and Ukraine. two radionuclides, the short-lived iodine-131 and the long-lived cesium-137, were particularly significant for the radiation dose they delivered into the members of the public. Two Chernobyl plant workers died due to the explosion on the night of the accident, and further 28 people died within a few weeks as a result of acute radiation syndrome. The accident destroyed the Chernobyl 4 reactor, killing at least 30 operators and firemen within 3 months and several further deaths later. The next task was cleaning up the radioactivity at the site so that the remaining 3 reactors could be restarted and the damaged reactor shielded more permanently. About 2 lakh people from all over the Soviet Union were involved in the recovery and cleanup during 1986 and 97. They received high doses of radiation. Initial radiation exposure in the contaminated area was due to short-lived iodine-131. Later, cesium-137 was the main hazard. Both are fission products dispersed from the reactor core with half-lives of 8 days and 30 years respectively. The United Nations Scientific Committee on the Effects of Atomic Radiation has concluded that apart from some 6,500 thyroid cancers resulting in 15 fatalities, there is no evidence of major public health impact attributable to the radiation exposure 20 years after the incident. Some 350,000 people were evacuated as a result of the accident. In the early 1990s, some $400 million was spent on improvements to the remaining reactors at the Chernobyl, considerably enhancing their safety. Energy shortages necessitated the continued operation of Unit 3 until December 2000. Unit 2 was shut down after a turbine hall fire in 1991 and Unit 1 at the end of 1997. Almost 6,000 people worked at the plant every day, and the radiation dose has been within the internationally acceptable limits. Chernobyl Unit 4 was enclosed in a large concrete shelter which was erected quickly by October 1986 to allow continuing operation of the other reactors at the plant. However, the structure is neither strong nor durable. A safe confinement structure was completed in 2017, having been built adjacent and then moved into place on the rails. It is an arch 110 meters high, 165 meters long and spanning 260 meters, covering both Unit 4 and the hastily built 1986 structure. Having built the new safe confinement structure, now the employees of Chernobyl power plant are safe from radiation. Humans learn from their mistakes. Chernobyl is one example, but the people of Ukraine has come out of this incident with their will to sustain. Stay safe. See you in another exciting topic. Take care. Bye bye.